Did you know 1 in 3 seniors over 65 years falls each year, often because of weak legs? But what if food could fix that?
Aging affects muscles and bones, but the right food can help. As we age, our bodies change. It is a natural part of life. The one thing we usually don't discuss is the loss of muscle mass. This is not just about looking toned, it is a serious condition called sarcopenia. Sarcopenia can make the daily activities harder, boring, and tedious. Waking up, walking, climbing stairs, or standing up from a chair becomes challenging. It also increases the risk of falling, which can incur dangerous consequences among the elderly. One study shows that 80% of bone strength is defined by its mass, quantity, or density. This is equivalent to its quality. Having optimal bone mass is the major goal in preventing osteoporotic fractures among the elderly. The good news is that we can fight back sarcopenia. Exercise is important, but what we eat aids in prevention and the management of sarcopenia. Certain foods have building blocks required for muscle growth and repair of worn-out muscle tissues. Some foods are packed with nutrients required for muscle development and strengthening the bones as they remain healthy. In this video, we cover the 10 delicious and locally available superfoods that help the elderly maintain their leg strength as they manage their balance and become more independent. Let us learn the power of food together. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bell for more life-changing health tips. Number 10. Eggs. Egg whites contain proteins that are essential for strong muscle building. It contains all 9 essential amino acids for optimal muscle healing and rebuilding, as well as valuable minerals like calcium, zinc, and iron.
Egg yolks contain vitamins E, A, K, B12, riboflavin, and folic acid.
These elements are essential for speeding up metabolism and aiding the body in burning fats, which are then turned into energy. Seniors should eat at least 1 or 2 eggs daily to build your muscles and remain healthy. Egg white from boiled eggs is preferred. Number 9. Quinoa. Quinoa are rich in proteins and low in calories. It is gluten and cholesterol-free, suitable for seniors. It helps in building lean muscle, aiding in repairing worn-out muscles. They are high in fiber, riboflavin, calcium, vitamin E, potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, folic acid, iron, ectosteroids, and beta-carotene. Ectosteroids in quinoa help in rapid muscle mass and reduce fat mass, which enhances stability among the seniors. Include quinoa in your soups and salads, or cook it with green vegetables or meat. Number 8. Spinach. Spinach is one of the best lean muscle foods that build strong and ripped muscle. Researchers at Rutgers University found that phytoestrogens found in spinach increase muscle growth by up to 20%. Calcium in spinach helps prevent muscle cramps among the seniors during exercise, while the iron content helps in regenerating new muscles. Glutamine and amino acids are efficient in muscle contraction during movement, increasing metabolism rate and boosting energy level enough to enhance your activity throughout the day. To maximize the nutritional value that helps build your muscles, have raw spinach juice or salad. You can also steam them and use them in a sandwich. Number 7. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are one of the best sources of omega-3, essential fatty acids, most needed by our seniors, which help reduce inflammation during movement. Reduced inflammation helps the body restore worn-out muscles. This means that your muscle will not get sores after a simple walk or workout, as it enhances faster healing of the muscle. Flaxseed is also rich in fiber, which helps boost your energy and stamina. For better results, grind flax seeds, and take 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds with Greek yogurt or milk before bed. They can also be incorporated into cereals, smoothies, salads, soups, and protein shakes. Number 6. Sweet potato.
Sweet potatoes are rich in high fiber content, potassium, and vitamins B12, C, D, and E.
They also contain iron, copper, magnesium, and quercetin for a healthy body. Sweet potatoes are good energy replenisher, restoring your glycogen stores. Seniors require consistent supply of energy for day-to-day activities. Loaded with fiber, potassium, and vitamins C and E, sweet potatoes replenish energy and restore glycogen levels after activity. They also aid digestion and control appetite. Try them roasted or mashed for a delicious, healthy meal. If you are getting value on what I am sharing, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification for more life-changing health. Number 5. Almonds. Almond contains fiber, protein, and vitamin E, essential for healthy bones. The powerful antioxidants in almonds help fight free radicals and help restore worn-out muscles. Almonds contain manganese and copper, well known for boosting energy and enabling the strength to walk and carry out your daily activities without getting burned out. Almonds also help lower cholesterol levels and prevent heart diseases. Which good for our seniors. Eat 1 or 2 servings of almonds per day. 1 serving equals 24 almonds. Soaked and roasted almond is preferred. Number 4, Natto. Natto is a fermented soybean dish from Japan. This might be a new food for many of you, but trust me, its benefits are incredible. Natto is rich in vitamin K2, which helps calcium reach your bones where needed most, preventing weakness and fractures. It also contains nattokinase, an enzyme that improves blood circulation and is essential for keeping your legs energized. Studies show that seniors who eat natto regularly reduce their risk of osteoporosis and leg weakness significantly. Mix with mustard and soy sauce for a traditional taste. Add to rice or noodles. Blend into a savory smoothie if you're adventurous. Number 3, Salmon. Salmon has a positive impact on the bone health of seniors. This oily fish contains vitamin D, omega-3 fatty acids, and calcium. The benefits include reduced fracture risk. By supporting bone health, regular consumption of salmon may help reduce the risk of fractures, a common concern for seniors. Improved bone density. Omega-3 fatty acids may help improve bone density, contributing to stronger and healthier bones. Enhanced calcium absorption. Vitamin D, abundant in salmon, plays a vital role in calcium absorption, ensuring that the body can effectively utilize calcium for bone building. The presence of vitamin B, especially vitamin B12 in salmon, is crucial for nerve functions and energy production. This helps coordinate movement and strengthens the nervous system. So when planning for your meals, include salmon in your diet, as it helps increase bone density and strength, preventing emerging cases of fractures among seniors. Strong bones are important in preventing falls, which can have a devastating impact on the seniors. According to Dr. Harold Rosen, director of the Osteoporosis Prevention and Treatment Center at Beth Israel Deaconess Medical Center, canned salmon is preferred. A serving of 3 ounces is equivalent to 180 grams of calcium, compared to a fillet of salmon, which is only a small portion of 36 grams of calcium. Number 2, Moringa Leaves. Moringa leaves, known as the miracle tree. This super green is packed with 7 times more vitamin C than oranges, and 4 times more calcium than milk. It's an amazing anti-inflammatory food that helps ease joint pain and rebuilds muscle strength in weak legs among our seniors. Moringa helps keep your muscles strong and your legs feeling light and active, a must for healthy aging. Brew moringa tea for a daily energy boost. Sprinkle moringa powder into soups or smoothies. Number 1, Black Sesame Seeds. Black sesame seeds are a tiny powerhouse of nutrients that can work wonders for our seniors' legs. While white sesame seeds are common, black sesame seeds are richer in calcium, magnesium, and zinc, which are crucial for bone density and muscle strength. They also contain sesamin, a natural compound that fights inflammation and supports joint health. Regular consumption of black sesame seeds can strengthen your leg muscles and improve bone health, making them a must-have in your diet for our seniors. Add a teaspoon to your morning smoothie or oatmeal. You can also make black sesame paste on whole grain toast. It's normal for bones to break down and rebuild again in a continuous process called remodeling. Bones release stored calcium into the bloodstream to carry out body functions such as blood clotting and muscle contractions. Bone supply is replenished with the calcium we eat and drink, for more stability and movement of our seniors. Alongside these foods, drink a lot of water throughout the day. Hydration is key in restoring and maintaining bone/muscle health. Studies show that our body is made up of 70% water, and the muscles are made up of 75% water. Keeping your muscles hydrated maintains energy levels, increases strength, and enhances proper digestion. This gives you seniors' leg stability, hence, you can carry out your daily activities, exercise, and live a healthy, happy life even in advanced age. Vitamin D is crucial for strong bones and stable legs. Beyond the diet and water, ensure to get direct sunlight exposure or vitamin D supplements to stay strong and active. If you are getting value from what we are sharing, please don't forget to subscribe to our